Good afternoon. I did a little video that I'll share on with this video, just talking about the weather. It's looking pretty promising out here, so I'll turn this camera over to see. Look at that mess. Good gravy. Jim Cantore looks a lot better than that, don't he? But yeah, see, the dogs are barking and everything going crazy. Anyway, yeah, look at this. Pretty sure there's going to be some lightning. They said they're talking about vivid lightning, heavy winds, for those that might not know, here in Louisville. Yeah, looks pretty ominous, right? Anyway, y'all have a good night, and y'all make sure you stay indoors. There's a raindrop. There it comes. Anyway, bless y'all. Have a good night. Be safe.